today's welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashwini today content related to lifestyle, beauty, unboxing news and art. What is the latest tips content? You can still subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't get notified when I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on all my socials. And yeah, in today's video, I'm going to do a Q&A. So let's get right into the video. So I kept this story and you guys have responded with a lot of questions. And what I did is I wrote down all the questions in my notepad, which is down here with me. And there are few repetitive questions. So I'm taking up like one or two questions with formula. And yeah, let's dive into them. You stick to a schedule and posting your course. Yes, I do post in a particular schedule regarding the content which I'm posting, and regarding the platforms, I keep timings for that, and I usually post it. When I'm starting this series now, I started posting this long video content at 6 p.m. so that most of the people can get notified and they can watch. So that's why, like now, when I'm doing certain stuff now, I will notify before only so that people will be engaging a lot. And samely, I post my Instagram reels and all at 6 p.m. And in LinkedIn and all the other stuff now, I will post it accordingly to my schedule. I started this series. Why you didn't start it earlier? I really wanted to start this series from long back. I really like doing this kind of stuff like experimenting and all. So in this series now, like I have to post right for a long period of time, that too long format content, and that too informative one, which will be more important to my audience rather than just posting random stuff and all. So it took me a lot of time for the research purpose, and also lot of stuff went to it. The reason why I didn't start it earlier means last year my grandmother is at the hospital at that time. So as I am only taking care of her at the time, I can't start the series. Why? Because he stayed until like May 6th or 7th. So at that time, I can't start the series. And before year, I'm just planning, but I couldn't able to do because of some personal reasons and all. So this year I started. So let's see how it will become for the next year and all. How do you fit making content into your everyday life? Actually, whatever the content and all the stuff which I'm doing now, like most of them are like already the ideas which I'm having to do from long time. I mostly try to film in a certain time period, and only at the particular time of the day I will film and all. I will schedule all this stuff and all, as you already know. I will plan everything prayer. Like sitting my life in the content which like maybe like vlogging and all. If it is there, it will mostly be in the part of that, and also skincare and all also mostly in the part of the content. I do include my pets, food, like clothes, hauls, and everything. And few of the other stuff I don't include that. What's a brand you would love to work with? I'm really having so many brands in my mind, and in my food board also, I'm having a few brands list and all. I really wanted to work with some jewelry brands and also clothing brands. Yeah, not kidding. I want to be on the billboards and all. I am having that thing like me as the ambassador or face of the brand, whatever. Or I just wanted to be that. I'm mostly thinking for jewelry and clothing brands. As we know, there are so many cosmetics and also skincare brands and all. But I really want this too. In case if I'm having opportunity with skincare and also with makeup, that will also work. I can't mention single brand. Why? Because there are so many in my mind currently. So I couldn't able to pick one or two questions which are resemblance with each other. Which app you edit? Who edit your videos? I mostly edit on KineMaster, and I myself edit my videos mostly. In case if I'm having any problem or I couldn't able to edit, then I take the help of this. Yeah, okay, Grindland Studios. This is like freelancing space where they edit and give us thumbnails and also long videos, short videos, whatever it is now, they will do that. So sometimes I take help from them. How much time it will take to shoot a video? It totally depends. To be honest, if you are seeing a 5 minute or 6 minute video, it's not like we are filming like that only. It takes a lot of stuff in between, like bloopers will be there, a lot of the other stuff will be there, which we have to cut them and do all this stuff while editing and all. It will take a lot of time for prepping all the setup, and also we also have to get ready and all for making a 5 minute video. Also, it will take around like minimum of 20 minutes. Max, it will totally depends upon how I'm doing and all this stuff. Mostly, I will try to wrap one video within like a 40 minutes or like that. But in the beginning stage, now it used to take very, very long time, like almost like an hour like that. At the time, my mobile used to overheat a lot. Are you enjoying content creation journey on YouTube? Yes, I do enjoy it a lot. Why? Because I know it takes a lot of time to get monetized and all, but I really like to share my thoughts or my opinions in long format rather than in short content. Why? Because in short content we have to be a bit hurry and all. We have to say it faster and all. But in long format now we are having so much of time with which I can share whatever thoughts I'm having on that particular stuff which I wanted to share. You guys can actually see that authentic and raw side of me as well. Like totally, if you guys are following me from long back, you know what exactly I'm saying. How much support you get from your family? My mom, my dad, and my younger brother, na, they support me a lot in lot of the aspects. Like in the sense of like giving me like a bit of confidence and also supporting me. When our relatives are saying some nonsense and all the stuff, na, they will always come forward and they support me. Why? Because they actually know how much hard work I'm doing and how much time I'm taking on it and from how long I'm building this. They are really know how much hard work I'm doing in it. So they usually support me a lot. When you started YouTube, to be honest now, I initially started my art channel first. I think it's been more than 8 years. And this lifestyle channel, I think it's around like 2 years only, but it's having more growth than that. And because I done a lot of mistakes there, which I learned and I'm implementing here now in a proper way. आप हमेशा इंग्लिश में ही वीडियो क्यों बनाते हो? क्योंकि ना मुझे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं आती है इसलिए। इंग्लिश में ना मुझे थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल फ़ील कर रहा है इसलिए मैं इंग्लिश में चूज़ कर रहा हूँ। और ना ज़्यादा लोग भी इंग्लिश ना प्रेफ़र भी कर रहा है इसलिए। With lot of effort, you made the video, but not getting more views, then how do you feel? To be honest, at that point of time, I feel a bit low. But I try to improve what mistakes I done in that particular video. Na, I try to improve them in the upcoming videos and I try to improve it a lot so that it will reach to more audience in so many ways with the video quality, the concept of the videos, the type of the videos I'm doing, and also the SEO, this, that, so much stuff will be there. So I try to change them a lot. Instead of just sitting, if I'm not getting news and can't sit down, I have to do something or the other. So it will eventually grow. How do you say YouTube struggle in one line? Lot of effort, but very little support. It's so true. Why? Because in YouTube now we are doing long format videos which take so much of time. But even now, subscribers who are following, they just see the video and they go and they don't even like the video and comment now. We can't even say that. Even they do not have time to like also, then what we can say? This is the real struggle, you know. If you guys are not engaging, videos will not be pushed to more people. So try to engage as much as possible. If you couldn't able to comment, at least try to like the video and share with other people so that YouTube will think, okay, this video is good. We can share with other people. So like that only algorithm will work. So try to keep engaging as much as possible, not only watching. It's if you are only watching and just living without any kind of engagement, it's like you guys are just talking. You're not supporting at all. Is your channel is monetized? No, dear, my channel is not monetized. I am like still have to cross those milestones of 4K hours watch time and also 1K subscribers. We are almost there for the subscribers count and all. But also there is some other stuff as well. Like in shorts, we have to cross like 1 million views or something. If these two are anything is happened now, monetization will be started immediately. How much payment do you get for a collab? Totally depends upon the brand and the type of the product. So I can't say you the exact digit and all. I will say you like this. Minimum of 4 digit ka payment and max will be around like 5 digit ka payment. You only assume whatever the price you are thinking, assume it, but I can't say the digit out loudly now. How do you manage your business and content creation? There is a lot of stuff. Apart from this two, I'm doing a lot of other stuff as well. I have done a few videos on them as well, like how I usually manage and all, how I keep my boundaries and all. Try to watch them. You will get a detailed idea what exactly are the points I use to manage everything. How you thought of starting YouTube and business in very less age? As I really love drawing and all. I used to watch like drawing tutorials and all from so many creators who are globally like around in so many countries. I got inspired from them and I started doing the content and all, starting in art channel. And then I really like this stuff of like haul videos and all. Then I thought to start the lifestyle channel, and this is how it started. I didn't thought of starting it. I just done it. That's it. I didn't done any planning and all. I just thought to start and just started immediately. That's it. There are some questions which are mostly related to my small business. When you started your small business, I think it's in 2019. I thought of starting my business and I started doing research and everything what I can do and all. Like how I can convert my illustrations into products and all. I started doing research, the manufacturing purpose and type of products I can launch and all. I started back in 2019 November. How YouTube helped to grow your business? In YouTube now, I used to keep studio vlogs and all, like all the behind the scenes and all. So what the audience are seeing, they know exactly I'm a person and how much hard work I'm keeping it to building my business and all. So like that now it will build a form of trust between the audience, and audience now if they're seeing constantly now they will become our client as well, like for purchasing of products and all. So in that case only I started the business, and it helped me a lot to reach for more people. In the initial stage, I used to reach to so many people, and now as I'm taking a break and I'm not posting long format vlogs and all, so it dropped a lot. But your girl will be back soon, so stay tuned for the content there as well. How to start a business? Whatever the idea you are having, try to write them down first yourself and then think about it. If you wanted to know in detail, then check out my art channel. You will be having detailed vlogs and all, like how to start and all this stuff. And also stay tuned. In the channel, I will be posting some content soon, so you guys will know how to start and all. How you got the idea of starting the business? Be honest now, I really love cute products, stationery, this and that. As I'm an illustrator, I love drawing cute illustrations and all. I thought why not to start my own line of products which are really very cute and affordable and quality also in top notch. Like that now I can also break the barrier between the gender and the age of using the food products and all. This is my main motto in starting my business, and then I started everything which I started from scratch, that too with all my savings without taking any kind of loans or any. Do you have loss in business? As every business have that, and I also have a few stuff like this regarding mostly with the manufacturers and all this stuff, and also because of the quality of the product sometimes no, it will be drawn a bit only because of the manufacturing stuff and all. Most of my losses from that side only, but I didn't get lot of losses and all. But that is like a minimum stuff which happen in any kind of business. So I didn't take it really very personally. If you wanted to know in detail insights of my business stuff and all, you guys can check out my art channel. I'll try to leave in the end screen so that you can easily go and check there. We'll be getting lot of info there, lot of insights on how I done, how much effort I get in the every single thing in with it. And also about this loss which I'm mentioning here now, and that also there in detail there what happened exactly. If I'm speaking here now, this video will become like 2 hours or 3 hours for sure. So check out that video so that it will be more easy and convenient for you and also for me as well. Okay, cuties, that's it for today's video, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do so, then do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe to my channel, and also do follow me on all my socials. Cuties, if you don't know I'm doing a body series, then you're missing a lot. Go check out the previous video and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Okay, bye. Take care. See you in the next video.